My name is Davide Soreca. I'm 22 years old. This is my bike. With this bike I ride in the Italian Championship and I'm leading the World Championship. Now I will explain my favorite things of this Honda 250.
You're watching Bike Check, brought to you by RedMoto Show.
Starting from the front side, I use air fork. I really like in enduro because you can change, put in some air or not if the ground change. This is a good thing for us because if we have to ride on the motocross track, we can put some air and make things harder. And if we ride in the stone, we can go softer. The engine is quite stock because the standard bike has a good power on the bottom. It's an important thing in enduro to don't have a lot of power in the top but have something of good in the bottom to manage it, to not make a mistake and be fast in the slippery stones. Special things that I only have on my bike is this seat. I use these things because when I go out from the corner, this stops me and helps my arm and my body to stay in the center of the bike. And especially in the uphill, when I have to push with the foot, this helps me so much. Under the handlebar, I use a special things made by X-Trig that help me to absorb the bumps. I really like because in the long day of race, help my hands to don't arrive at the end with pain. Foot pegs are in the same position of the standard, but we use this special foot peg because has more grips of the standard and material is stronger. About the mousse, when we arrive at the race, we work the special test and then we decide what to put. If the conditions are slippery, we put softer mousse, smaller, because help us to have more grip. But if the ground is hard, we can put big mousse to have more stability on the fast corner. In the rear, I use a solid disc. I like because the brake is more smooth, especially in the stone and slippery condition. Help me to don't make mistake, and also if I push too much, don't stop the rear wheel. I like my Gora clutch. Clutch is really soft. If I push on the clutch for a lot of time, don't lose the stability. Inside I have automatic clutch that help me so much in the difficult condition and don't stress a lot my body. Follow on my social page, Facebook and Instagram, and you will see what I do in my normal life and in the day of race. See you there.
Hello, my name is Fabio Re and my rider is Davide Soreca. He rides with CRF250 and I work 20 years in Enduro Championship. I hope you like my bike and so I like my work.